need to move from concern to compassion. So where do we get the word compassion from? It's actually a Latin word comprising of two different parts. That is, actually, if you translate directly, it says to suffer with someone. Compassion literally means a willingness to suffer with someone, a willingness to sacrifice my convenience, whatever, to help someone. Now, maybe, if you're in this room, how often have you driven past someone that had a flat tire next to the highway and just said, I hope they're okay? I'm guilty. So the other day, I got a flat tire right in front of the airport. Right in front of the airport. So I pulled over. It's dark. I don't have a torch or a flashlight. And it's dark. So I'm trying to figure out, I've never changed the tire on this vehicle, how to get the spare wheel down, where all the tools are. It's dark. I cannot see. My phone is dead. So I cannot phone anyone. And I'm struggling there. And I'm like, every time there's a vehicle, I'm like, please stop, but I'm too proud to show stop. So I'm like, oh, please stop. And for the first time, I realized that, often I've driven past people like that, and maybe they're in a predicament, and I don't even do the decency. I don't have the decency, in a sense, to just pull over and say, hey, can I help you? We need to move from concern to compassion. We need to ask God to give us a love for people. And the only way we can do that is we move from concern to compassion.